Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these really bomb press-on nails for my sister. I'm not going to waste any time. Let's just jump right into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be using a lot of products from the company Beetles because it's one of my favorite companies right now. But I'm also going to be using other products from different companies. So I'll have everything listed in my description box just in case you guys want to recreate this look. So to get started, I've already shaped and filed my press-on nails off camera, and I get these from a shop off Etsy that I will have in my description. I really love them. I feel like they already come really nicely shaped, but I still like to do a little extra. Now I'm gonna apply some base coat. This one is from Macart. Then I'll cure for 60 seconds and we can move on to painting the nails. So now that we have laid down our base coat, we can go in with our gel polish. And again, these are all from Beetles. So for this nail look, I really wanted to do an ombre. I've never done that on my channel, so I felt like this was the perfect time. So I'm gonna be grabbing my gel polish colors and I'm gonna start applying it onto the nail. And then I'm gonna take a small detail brush and just start gently blending in the edges so that it's nice and seamless. So once I am satisfied with how that looks, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna move on to the next nail, doing the same exact thing, just switching out the colors. So these are the nails so far, and I really think the ombre was a good choice because I really wanted to use all of these colors, and I feel like this was the best way to do it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start further decorating the nails with nail art and charms. So for my nail charms, I'm gonna be using my rhinestone glue from Beetles, which I love, and then for my nail art, I'm gonna be using this white gel polish from Model Ones. So for the nail art, I wasn't sure at first what I wanted to do. I really didn't want to take away from the ombre. I wanted that to remain the star of the show, but I felt like I needed to add to the nail. So y'all are gonna see me taking my dotting tool and I'm gonna draw some white clouds on that pink and orange nail, which I just felt like gave it a nice pop. And when I tell y'all I love how that turned out, I don't know, I just felt like that white just was perfect with the pink and the orange. So now for the rest of the nails, I'm just gonna go in and start adding charms, rhinestones, just to bring these nails to life. And then to finish up, I'm just gonna add a charm to this pinky nail. And then girl, we are done. So these are the nails, and y'all, I love everything about this nail set. This has to be one of my favorite nail sets that I've done so far. So like I told y'all earlier in the video, I did make these for my sister. She was going on a trip to Atlanta, and the only thing she told me was that she wanted her nails to be bright and colorful. So I feel like I did a really good job bringing her vision to life. I put them on and she was in love with them. And y'all, the nails stayed on for a good 3 weeks, okay? She had to go ahead and soak them off, and now she can reuse them for another time. So if you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up and drop me some comments down below. Also, make sure you are subscribed because I have another nail tutorial on the way. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because that video will be up soon. As always, I really appreciate y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.